how to add the weather widget on your iPhone lock screen. So if you want the weather to be displayed but not having to go through your phone and to actually open it, what you can do is put it on your actual lock screen. So go to the top left-hand corner and swipe down. This will bring you to your lock screen, and all you have to do is click and hold, and you'll be able to customize this. So we'll hit customize, and we'll choose the lock screen. And from here, you're going to see a lot of outlined boxes, and it's just a template for your layout for your stuff on your phone. And we can go ahead and click add widget. And what we're going to do is scroll down to where the weather app is. It should be at the bottom here. Go ahead and hit weather. And through here, we have a lot of different formats we can do. So I'm just going to choose the current conditions here, but you could choose anything that you want. And then X out of these menus, and then go ahead and hit done. And then go ahead and click the lock screen one more time so it stays there, and now it's there. So if you were to swipe up and then swipe back down, you'll see that the widget is right there, and there you have it. There you have the weather widget on your iPhone lock screen.